Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about the JK flip-flop. Okay, in this JK flip-flop, okay, so this is the pin diagram of the JK flip-flop. Okay, here I am going to use for the 2-input NAND gate as well as the 3-input NAND gate. The 2-input NAND gate IC will be 7400 and 3-input NAND gate will be 7410. Okay, how I am going to making the connections? Okay, by using the circuit diagrams. This four, okay, these 4 gates, okay, I am going to use for the 7400, that will be 2-input gate, and remaining these 3 gate, okay, I am going to use for the one more IC, that is also 7400, okay, that is also 2-input NAND gate IC, and these two will be the 7410, okay, that will be 3-input NAND gate. Okay, based on that I am going to segregate the ICs. Okay, I am going to do the connections. So we will come to the trainer kit. Here, see, these two will be the 7400 and this will be the 7410 IC. See, this is the basic connections about for all the ICs. See, this is the basic connections of the for all the ICs. Okay, because we are going to like passing the power supply as well as the ground for all the ICs, and this will be the ground. So pin number 7, okay, I am going to connect it to ground, and here pin number 14 to VCC. Okay, like that I have going to made the connections. And here, see, you look at this diagram. Here the pin number 1, okay, pin number 1 I am going to I am going to connect it to pin number 12 to the 7410 IC. This is the pin number 1. I am going to connect it to the pin number 12, and the second one is the pin number 2. I am going to connect it to the pin number 6, and this is the pin number 2. I am going to making the connection to the pin number 6, and again from pin number 3 to pin number 4. This is the pin number 3 to pin number 4. Then again from pin number 3 to 9. So this is the pin number 3 to 9. After that, again here pin number 6 to 13, pin number 6 to 13, pin number 6 to 13. Okay, after that again I am going to short it pin number 10 and 12, pin number 8, 9, 10 and 12 I am going to short it. From this pin number 12 I am going to give it to pin number 3 of the 7410 IC. See, pin number 12 I am going to give, see, from the 7400, okay, from this gate pin number 12, 14, 13, 12, okay, from pin number 12 to again pin number 3. Yes, after that again yes, from pin number 8 to pin number 4. For this gate pin number 8 I am going to connect it to pin number 4 of the next gate. Again I am going to give the pin number 5 to 8, pin number 5 to 8, 5 to 8. Again pin number 6 to 9, going to connect pin number 6 to 9, 6 to 9. Here pin number 6 and pin number 8 will be the output. see pin number 6. From the pin number 6 I am going to connect it as the Q, that is output pin. After that, again from the pin number 8 to one more end I am going to connect it as the output, that is Q bar. This is Q from the pin number 6 and this is the Q bar, okay, that is pin number 8. Okay, have given the two output pin. Then I am going to connect pin number 11. I am going to connect it to pin number 11 to 10. See, from this IC pin number 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pin number 11, I am going to connect it to the second IC of the pin number 10. 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then next one, from pin number 10 to from pin number 9 to pin number 5 of the 7-4. Yes, the pin number 9, okay, I am going to connect it here. Pin number 9 to here pin number 5 I am going to short it. After that, here 1 and 2, okay, I am going to shorting here 1 and 2 I am going to short it. After that, patch codes. Again see here, okay, from 1 to 3 I am going to connect it here. Means here see the pin number, okay, the pin number 1 from the 7400, okay, from that gate to I am going to connect it to the another end will be 7410 of the pin number 3. Here from the pin number 1 I am going to connect it to pin number 3 of the 7410 IC. Then after that, yes, the pin number 4 will be the K, means input, okay, this is the K. After that, again J is the, means one more input, okay, that is pin number 2 is the J, this is the 2 and this is the K, okay, this is the pin number 2 and this is the pin number 4 of the 7410, okay. After that, I am going to short it pin number 13 and 3, this is the 3, okay, then 13, okay, I am going to short it. From this pin number 13 I am going to give it to clock pulse. Yeah, from pin number 13, okay, I am going to connect it to clock pulse, that is 1 kilohertz, okay. Then after that, yes, I am going to connect pin number 1 to the 7400 of the, means second IC of the pin number 5. See, this is the pin number 1 of the 7410. From that IC to the second IC of the 7400 pin number 5. Okay, then afterwards, yes, we did the connections successfully, okay. So this is what the JK flip connections, okay. We will see the output now. Yeah, see, I finished the JK flip flop connections, okay. We will see the now output, okay. If it is 00 means J and K both are 00, okay, the output will be the q and q bar will be the no change condition. Okay, the no change condition, which is nothing but whatever the like trainer kit, okay, it is going to produce the output. Okay, see, I am getting the here then q and q bar will be the 0 and 1. So this is what the no change conditions. Okay, if it is j will be 0 and k will be the 1. Okay, yes, the output will be the 0 and 1. Okay, if it is 1 and 0, okay, the output will be the 0 and 1.